Okay, Captain Diarrhea here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very quick salad from a few things that you have in your house. Okay? Very easy. We have black olives, salt, pepper, lemon juice, olive oil, tomatoes, vinegar, feta cheese, and a little bit of iceberg and romaine lettuce and a cucumber and some garlic. So real quick, we're going to go ahead and cut the cucumber up. Alright. Very simple. We'll put all of our ingredients in the bowl over here. Okay. Okay, got the cucumbers in there. Next we'll go for the tomato. Depending on how much tomato you want, I just like using one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut it in wedges. Alright, and then I'm going to split them in half. So the wedges are in half. Alright, put those in the bowl. So far I got tomatoes, cucumbers, black olives. Alright, now we're going to go for our lettuce. I got one head of romaine here. Cut that up pretty good. I like using two types of lettuce. You can use any lettuce you want. Some more lettuces are more better than others. Pop the core out of that. I'm only going to use half a head of iceberg. Okay. Then we'll just go ahead and cut that once and shred some iceberg lettuce here. So now you have all your ingredients in here that you need. Of course you can't see much of it because it's at the bottom, but we're going to mix it. We're going to add some feta cheese. Okay. Store-bought feta cheese. Alright. Last thing I'm going to do is cut this elephant garlic. You can use regular garlic, elephant garlic, any garlic you want really. This is going to give it a little more of a zing to the dish. Alright. I'm just going to dice this up real quick here. Alright, so I diced this garlic up, but I kind of want it mashed. So I'm going to grab some salt, put some salt here. The salt's going to draw the water out of the garlic, and I'm just going to sit here and smear it across the salt like this until it gets more of a mash. That way we get some of the flavors out of there. Okay. Pick that fresh garlic up. Put it in the bowl there. Rinse my knife off real quick. Okay, next thing we're going to do, clean this up a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to start adding our salt. Everything's to taste. Just remember, once you add something, you can't take it out. So you're better off adding a little bit of salt, because salt is a very heavy tasting flavor. I go heavy on the pepper. I like it. And I'm going to add some lemon juice here. Okay? Just kind of making my own dressing. Alright, there's lemon juice. And we're going to add a little vinegar. Probably about 3-4 tablespoons of lemon juice and about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And of course the oil, probably about a 1/4 cup of oil. Alright. Now, if I could find my tongs here, we're going to go ahead and mix the salad. Now this you want to make right before serving. That way the lettuce doesn't get wilted on you and it doesn't get all soggy. Now I'm going to go ahead and taste it. It doesn't need any extra spices. Transfer it into another bowl. And there you have it. Your salad made in under 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I'll be talking to you soon. Thank you. Peace out.